Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel on a lovely sunny day again. Barbecue, that's what I'm doing today guys. I'm doing a pizza on a barbie. Seen this up Aldi for $12.99. Barbecue pizza set made of high quality stainless steel. Where is it? You got a pizza paddle, a dough cutter and a pizza cutter. That's what you've got. Now, I need a new pizza cutter anyway, so that's handy for me. And I want a dough cutter because not really to cut dough in that, because I don't do a lot of that stuff anyway. More to scrape me, like when I chop my onions up and all that, I can scrape it all up in one, straight into a bowl. Be a lot handier for me. I saw a chef do that and recommend that. Good tip. The pizza paddle, nah, I wouldn't probably not use it much. But today we're going to have a test. And the old Barbie, that's what we're going to do. So, before we start on the pizza, guys, I've got all the stuff for the pizza in the kitchen because it's too hot out here. We're just going to get this open and have a quick look. They do up there, don't they, a pizza oven thing, but I don't think you'd ever use them much, to be honest with you. There's the old, how do we do this? It's only a quick look at, guys, that's all. Screws in. When I'm naughty, that can smack me around the bum, can't you, darling? Woo woo. Ooh. There's a little dough thing. That's handy. To scrape up your bits. You know what I mean? That's what I want one of them for. I did say tonight I need to get one. So that's handy for me. And the pizza cutter. There it is. Quite sharp. What I'll do is I'll go and give these a wash. Then I'll bring my piece of stuff out, guys. Then we'll make a pizza and we'll get it on there. Okay, guys, let me show you what we got for the pizza. We have got some basil. I got these from Aldi. Pepperoni, mozzarella selections. We've got some bit more mature cheddar in case I need a bit. We've got some peri-peri chicken slices. And I got one of these pizza doughs. And for the base, we have got pizza sauce. I'm hoping you can see this with the sun. I'm not sure whether you can. That's what we're having for that. I've also got some basil infused olive oil. And obviously we've got a little bit of oil because I want to get some oil on my grill before we start anything, so nothing sticks. And in here, I've got a little bit of maize for the bottom of the old pizza dough so it doesn't stick. Now, if all else fails, which I know with me, it probably will, I have got one that was made earlier. Tesco's Finest, cured meat selection, wood-fired pizza. I got one of them, guys. That was $4.75. That's going to go on the Barbie and all. So we can just see how they cook, because I've never done one on a Barbie before. So we can just have a look, can't we? This says new recipe on there. I looked at the reviews online. I think it's 4.8 on the stars. People said it's absolutely delicious. So that's for, I'll put that back in the fridge because we ain't going to need that yet. So first things first, I'm just going to oil my grill, guys, just to stop a bit of sticking. And we're going to get that heated up. So pizza dough first then. What we're going to do, I've seen this online off I think it's a channel called the BBQ Guys or something. Obviously they made their own dough. I'm not going to. We're going to get that out. They've been nice and soft and that with that wheel because of the sun anyway. We're going to roll it out, guys. Now I say I don't think these will fit on the paddle. But I'm not really interested about the paddle, to be honest. It's more about the pizza itself and the dough cutter. But I only bought that stuff because I need some. So we're going to get a bit of olive oil on here, guys. Basil infused. This is going to baste away. I'm going to get some of that in there, like so. I've got the barbecue on really low, because I don't want it cooking too quick. I want it to cook, if you get what I mean. Okay, that should be warm enough now. 250 degrees it's on. So what we're going to do, get that on there. Actually, take it off the paper first, it'd help, wouldn't it? I've got big problems, guys. It's all melted. The sun's melted it that quick. Look, I can't get it off. Good job I bought the other one. Close the lid up a minute. Told you I'd have problems, didn't I? It's all melted. It's just far too hot for this pizza dough. I can't get it. So I'm going to make it into my own little pizza dough. It ain't going to matter. I can't get any more off there. I'm going to get a bit of maize on. And on my rolling pin. And I'm just going to roll it into a ball. And what I'll do, we will pull it. I'll start it off and we'll get it onto the paddle. And we'll try it that way. Let me just start it off first. Told you, I knew it'd go wrong. As soon as I opened it, I could see how soft it was anyway. And I thought it would have, so not to worry. Gives an excuse to try it at the paddle anyway, won't it, guys, eh? Think it'll be a very big one now, this, though, that's the problem. That'll have to do us, I think, guys. It's going to be basil infused now, so... The paddle. Let me get a bit of oil on that paddle. And is that going to fit? Tell ya. I knew it was wrong today. I knew it would. Don't see this on the BBC, do ya? Right. Let's get that on there then for a couple of minutes. Nice and slow, get it all cooked underneath. Okay, let's have a look. It's been 2 minutes. Let's have a look. Or a little bit more, just a touch more. Okay, let's get it out. Now we're flipping it over. That is the top. Oh, God. It's all gone pear-shaped. Let's get some pizza sauce on. As I say, guys, it's all in the taste, isn't it? You know what it's like with me. Things work, or things don't work. And if they don't work, they get bad. Right, we'll stick some poo-poo chicken on. Around the edges and just anywhere we can get it. Might as well pile it in, mightn't we? Something like that. One in the middle. Do bigger in the middle. Why not? We're using it, ain't we? Some pepperoni and some cheese. God, I'm sweating. I think I won't need any normal cheese. That can go back in the old fridge, I think. And some cheese on top. We like a bit of cheese, don't we, on a pizza? You gotta have a bit of cheese. One in the middle. There we go. Get me paddle. Whew. It's all gone pear-shaped, Bab. It's all gone pear-shaped, darling. Hey? Oh, you can hear me. And there it is. All the dough did, yeah. It's too hot. It's all in the taste. It's all in the taste. Okay, guys, we might as well get this one in as well. What if one's cooking? We're going to do exactly the same, but obviously this one's all done in it, so this one should be a lot easier and a lot better. Right, what I'm going to do with this one, because we're going to basil the bottom as well. So I will do it from upside down to start with. And we'll get some basil infused oil on the bottom. I think that one might nearly be done. Turn it over. Look, everything's sticking and melting up, guys. We'll get the paddle. Oh, God. That's a lot better than mine, isn't it? And we'll get that one on. Okay. We'll leave them for a few minutes then, guys, until they cook. Oh, right, let's have a look, guys. That one needs probably another minute. I just want to melt that cheese a little bit. That one's all right. Let's get it out. There it is, the cocked up one. Hey, don't look bad, does it? Don't know what the dough's going to be like now, though. This one, I reckon, another couple of minutes. Checking underneath. Yes, couple of minutes on that. Right, let's try this cutter. Oh, what a game. Always, guys, as I say, always have a backup plan. It's got a nice bit of cheese. And it's got a nice crunch and all on the edge. Yeah. Let's have a look what underneath looks like. Oops, get on there. It's caught a little bit. Ow, that's hot. We'll tap some with some basil. Only on the 2. I'll leave the other ones for the lads. And here is the next one, guys. Oh, is that recording? Device overheated. No, no. Device overheated, guys. Gimme. We'll cut off in 3 seconds. Right. I don't know if you can see anything because everything's overheated. That's a nice one and all. I've just turned it off and back on, but it's got a nice crunch. Let's have a look at this one. And there's that one. It's just caught at the bottom, if you can see. Right, let me get it on some plates then. Oh.
You can then, darling.
Well, I don't know what you could see, guys, and what you couldn't see. Because it's boiling hot out there.
You are nuts. Doing a pizza outside on the barbecue. You're absolute crackers, darling.
We're out there long, either.
Some tissue.
Well, there they are.
Oh, bless you. It looks delicious, though, darling. It looks lovely and fresh.
Yeah, there's one, there's the other one. I'm not going to tell you actually, I'm not going to even mention which is which.
You're glistening.
I'm glistening, Bab.
Bless you, sweetheart. You're nuts. Oh. My hands are clean. I've got spray paint on my fingers. I have washed them.
Oh, God.
Right.
I had a feeling things would go wrong because it was far too hot out there.
You're nuts. You're absolute crackers. There's no wind.
I don't even think I'm going to be able to do a live stream this weekend because it's just going to cut my gear off. It's just too hot.
I couldn't sit out there in this. It's nuts.
Might have to do one in the house. Might not be able to be a barbie because it's just too hot for it, ain't it?
I couldn't sit out there while we live streamed.
I've been out there, about 10, 15 minutes and I'm absolutely...
I couldn't.
I got no air, no breath.
I couldn't.
Which one you having first? That one?
I just had a piece of this one. Well, I just tried the little corner.
No.
I like that one.
You like that one? She likes that one.
Nice and crunchy.
That one's nice and crunchy. Could that be my one? Could it?
God. I'm sitting here and I'm even just sitting here.
We've all had one slice each, us and the lads.
Oh man, it's too warm. Whew. Try this one.
That's all right.
I prefer that one.
You prefer that one?
That one's nice. Huh. You made this one, didn't you?
No, that one I bought from the shop.
This one you bought from the shop?
No, I made it. It all went pear-shaped. I knew it would.
Do you know what?
I know they probably say it was because I put it on the grill with a paper on, but I did try as before I brought it over to try and get it off, and it just wouldn't come off.
Actually, I like both of them. They're both nice.
It's just far too hot for the old... I should have prepared it all in here, shouldn't I? And took it straight out. That's what I should have done. Let's try this one anyway. It's homemade rubbish.
Not rubbish, it's nice. I like both of them.
That's got a nice flavour, that one. With the basil on that.
Now I've had a bite into like, what's on there.
It's not as good a base, but the flavours are there.
The flavour's really nice.
And that's why guys always have a backup.
You did well, darling.
That's why I bought one of them, because I thought this is gonna get pear-shaped. God, I'm absolutely dripping.
I like both.
They're all right, aren't they? Oh,
Maybe revisit it when it's not so warm.
yeah, I can't do it when it's that hot.
I'm not being I can't sit out there this weekend, it's
No.
too much.
Oh,
Oh my God, I'm sweating.
Litchfield was on Sky News today, weren't it, about the weather?
Yeah.
So I don't know whether
I know, amber warning.
whether it was the hottest place in the country today. I don't know.
It
Well,
roasting
they had
out
the
there.
Stowe Pool and the cathedral and going Litchfield live, didn't they? So I don't know whether that was to say it's hottest place at the minute. But it's absolutely sweltering, isn't it?
I'm roasting sitting there.
So guys, there we go. A barbecue pizza, pear-shaped one.
Yes, sir.
It's still eatable. And it's alright, isn't it?
And you tried the thought that counts, thank you.
Don't get anywhere else. Try here.
That, I like this one. I like this one. I like both of them, they're both nice.
That one's a better crust, but I think that's got a nice flavour. And it's got the... Because I infused all the basil into the old thingy, didn't I? When I mixed it all up.
So I've got a sweaty face on. It's cracking.
So guys, I will go live Sunday, but I don't know whether it'll be a barbecue. My gear's just going to overeat, and I think it'd just be a waste, won't it?
Yeah.
So I might do something in the house instead. We'll see. We'll play it by ear and see whether the weather drops a bit or not.
If the weather drops, then fair enough.
So there you go, guys. Barbecue pizza. Barbecue pizza set. They are good, actually, and they do work.
Is it good, is it, your little set?
It's all right, yeah, it works.
Good.
The paddle's not the biggest, but it does fit a pizza. Especially if you buy, I mean, to be honest with you, you might as well just buy a shop bought one and put it on, mightn't you? And all the faffing around. You know what I mean? So until next time, guys, give us a like, give us a subscribe. Cock-ups always happen, don't they? Bye-bye.
Oh, bless ya. It's delicious anyway.
I'm that
Bob.
hot, I haven't even put any sauces on it or anything.
Sweaty.
I just can't be bothered.